Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. नमस्कार. आज 17 अगस्त 2022 we are still in Sangla. Spiti vlog episode number 3. Today we are going to Chitkul, Rakcham and coming back to Sangla again and staying in Sangla. So let us start exploring Sangla, nearby Baspa River and also the Chitkul. Please follow me. Good morning from Sangla. 70. It's a sunny morning. Temperature around 10 degrees. हल्की सी ठंड है. And we are now on our way a small trek towards the Baspa River which is flowing downstream. अपने जो resort है resort के नीचे जा रही है. So let us start walking. This Baspa River flows from the high mountains of Tibet and joins Satluj River at Karcham Dam, जो पिछले वीडियो में हमने देखा था. एंड फ्लो इसलिए ज़्यादा है कि पिछले 2 दिन में बहुत बारिश हुई थी. हम इस रिवर के अराउंड 50 फुट ऊपर चल रहे हैं बिकॉज द फ्लो इज़ वेरी हाई और ऊपर ट्रैक चलने का जगह है अलग से. एंड धीरे धीरे चलते चलते वी रीच्ड ए ब्रिज. दैट्स अ vantage point to have a look at the river. Now here is the vantage point. Let us have a look at it. जब हम ब्रिज में खड़े थे वहाँ पे हमें 2 लोकल्स मिले एंड दे गेव अस पोज फॉर शूटिंग सम स्नैप्स. Right now I'm standing at a bridge near at the Baspa River. This is the Baspa River which is flowing from Tibet. We are around 50 kilometers from the India-Tibet border. This area, the location has been opened to the public only a few years back, and we are very close to Chitkul, the last Indian village. This Baspa River join the Satluj River, the downstream. You can see the flow, the rains for the past couple of days and also the melting snow are the reason for the heavy flow in the river. So anyway, we are not standing in the river, we are about 50 feet above the river. बास्पा रिवर देखने के बाद हम ब्रेकफास्ट करके निकले चितकुल के रास्ते पे. रास्ता इतना टफ है, एक साइड देखो तो आसमान को छूती हुई ऊंचे ऊंचे पहाड़ और दूसरे साइड पे एकदम से नीचे नीचे ढलान जिसमें बहती हुई बास्पा रिवर और डरावना रोड और कभी भी लुढ़कते हुए पत्थर आ सकते हैं सड़क पे. डर तो लग ही रहा था, but somehow roads were neatly maintained by the BRO. Hats off to them. If you can actually notice the change in the atmosphere, change in the pattern of the hills, somewhere it is green, somewhere it is rocky, and this is what we were expecting and this is what we are going to see in the coming vlogs also. So धीरे धीरे terrain change होते हुए we were actually noticing it also. रास्ते में हमें मिला एक छोटा सा स्ट्रीम. गाड़ी रोक के उसको एंजॉय करने का मौका मिला. just look at the width of the road. Sometimes सामने से गाड़ी आए तो we had to reverse and कहीं कोने में जाके खड़ा होना था and it was very tough. And सामने से गाड़ी आ जाए, overtaking was a very big no. कोई गाड़ी स्लो जा रही है या रुक गई तो पीछे रुकना ही पड़ेगा या स्लो जाना ही पड़ेगा. After seeing some of the photos, somebody was asking me, कुछ जगहों में पैरापेट क्यों नहीं है रोड्स की. अरे मैंने कहा भैया रोड बनी है, दैट इज़ ए बिग थिंग. पैरापेट की बात ही दूसरी है. कहीं कहीं तो रोड भी नहीं थी, इट्स वॉज अ ऑफ रोड. सो द फर्स्ट priority is to make the road, then the second priority is to make the parapet. Of course, the edges were made with some bricks or maybe with the stones and all. Not at some places where it was very deep, the steel girders were there. ये भी अक्टूबर 15 तक.
हाँ जी.
इस बार तो नहीं होगा, फिर अगले साल मार्च के बाद ही करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि बिटिया बाहर गई है तो
अच्छा.
छुट्टी पे आएगी तभी करेंगे. चितपुल 2 किलोमीटर. स्पीति कॉलिंग.
फ्लैग लगे हुए, पेट्रोलिंग होती है टॉप के साथ.
ये सामने जो बिल्डिंग्स दिख रहे हैं ये चितपुल.
ये रांची चितपुल इंडियन की फोटो लेनी चाहिए.
That is India's last village in Kinnaur district on this road. Similarly, there is Mana near Badrinath, which is also called as the last village in that particular district. चितकुल पहुंचने के बाद हमने देखा एक पहाड़ के ऊपर इंडियन फ्लैग लहरा रहा था. दैट इज़ टू शो दैट द इंडियन बॉर्डर इज़ दैट. बियॉन्ड दैट इज़ चाइना, दैट इज़ तिब्बत. उसके बाद हम चितकुल गांव के अंदर घूमने के लिए चले गए थे एंड वी मेट ए स्मॉल कपल ऑफ किड्स. उनके नाम वहाँ पूछे एंड ऑल्सो थ्रू द विलेजेस वेयर द ओल्ड हाउसेस मेड ऑफ wood of poplar and देवदार woods. सब देखे थे और just have a look at them. With roads and connectivity coming in, these villages are also seeing now concrete constructions rather than the old type wooden constructions. दिस मे नॉट बी मोर देन 15-20 दिन का. कितने दिन का ये? कितने दिन का बछड़ा है? कितने दिन का बछड़ा है ये? 15 दिन का है? हाँ.
बहुत अच्छा है, प्यारा सा है, बहुत छोटा है, खेल रहा था अभी वो.
15 दिन का बछड़ा. इधर देखिए कितने साल से हैं
कौन?
आप? शुरू से? या चाइना वालों का कुछ हिसाब कुछ नहीं होता यहाँ पे?
नहीं, कुछ
तंग नहीं करते?
हाँ, तंग नहीं करते.
सूर्यांश, क्या हाल है? बछड़े का नाम रखा है? Hello, right now I am vlogging from this last Indian village at the Indo-Tibetan border. This village is called Chitkul, and behind me are the mountains from the Indian side. I'll just show you the mountains on the Tibet side. There you see the mountains on the Tibet side. Those actually you can see the Indian flag flying at the top behind this house. The top is the Indian flag which is flying high. We have beyond that is Tibet, which is occupied by China now. Of course, it's China, they call it China. And of course, here it is the Indian flag. It is village, the Chitkul village. Civilians are allowed to visit only up to the Chitkul village. We went around this Chitkul village. You have seen some of the shots of the village now. And the beautiful scenes here, blue sky, the clouds, and what all. The Rocky Mountains and all hills, and just like to see how these Indian soldiers would have climbed the hills at the top and put their flag at the top of the hills there. It's already 2 now. Just wait about 1.5 hours here in Chitkul city. Next time we go is our lunch time. We are now waiting for our lunch. So these are the water, these are the dirty water, lava. This is actually melted to become some top. This is one of the Baspa river down south, down the river. The Baspa river is down the morning.
अभी तो मौसम सही है, धूप खिली हुई है. विंटर में क्या करता होगा ये पक्षी? उड़ के नीचे उतर के आएगा या यहीं पे कहीं छुप के बैठा रहेगा 4 महीना जब बर्फ़ गिरेगी तो.
Chitkul now is a place most sought after by IT professionals, youngsters, and those who want peace and serenity. With 4G network available, many people come in and stay here and stay and work from here. So we have a hostel and many homestays are available here at Chitkul. Now the youngsters are actually enjoying working from this remote place, having a fantastic 4G network.
नहीं, वो डोरेमोन में जो नहीं होती नोबिता.
मास्टर बैठ.
थोड़ा सा सरकना.
पुलिया पे बैठ.
Hope you liked this vlog. Ending at Sangla. Tomorrow we are again moving out of Sangla. We are moving to Kalpa. Kalpa is the place from where we have a fantastic view of Kinnar Kailash Parvat. Kalpa is not far off from Sangla. It's around 3 to 4 hours run only via beautiful roads constructed by BRO. And also we'll be going through Rekong Pio and all those places. Tomorrow's vlog, the next vlog may not be a full vlog. Maybe we may have to combine 2 days vlog. Only next vlog I'll be able to confirm whether it is a 1-day vlog or a 2-day vlog. So please do like, share and subscribe, and also forward, share with your friends also. I know the first vlog was released on a holiday during weekend. It had more than 100 views. Second vlog, it was released during working day. It has so far rated only 60 views only. So it is waiting for, I think, some maybe weekend. So please requesting you all, please share and make it viral. Thanks.